ìkà táwọn Fúlàní ṣe fún wa. Ẹ̀yin náà wo ogun tẹ́ ń wò yìí. Fáàmù kan lélẹ̀. Ẹ wo bó ṣe gùn lọ. Kí àwọn kó màálù sínú bíbà kó wá máa jẹ oko lóko. Ṣé rí èní ní on the 1st of July 2024 ó pé ọdún mẹ́ta lénìí tí wọ́n lọ àtáàkì olóyè mọ́lé tó fi pa sílé. Adúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run tí ó fún wọn ní pé wọ́n ò rí ṣe. Adúpẹ́ fún lóyè, adúpẹ́ fún àwọn fámílì yín. Ẹni tí olóyè Ìgbòho náà ń jà fún lélẹ́yìí fún ọmọ Yorùbá tó fẹ́ ṣe irú oko báyìí, tó fẹ́ invest hectares ẹ̀rí bó ṣe gùn lọ, but apparently kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣọmọdé nítorí pé àwọn Fúlàní tó bá ti kó màálù wọnú bíbáyìí wàá jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀, wàá tún wá pa ẹni tó lóko. Wàá máa wọ́ndà pé àdúgbò wo la wà. Well, bí ṣe sọ àwa máa ń káàkiri torí pé tó bá lọ different places, bus stop wọn lélẹ̀ Kimpton ló ń pè bíbáyìí. Wàá rí pé is a rural area. Nínú rural area yẹn ó ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tí máa fi wọ̀n wá, but ẹ jẹ́ ká tún show inú farm yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. And this is exactly how it is meant to be fún gbogbo àwọn villages wa. Kò mí pé tó jẹ́ village kó máa ní opportunity. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní opportunity tiẹ̀ tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa máa wá lè sọ pé ó dá àwa kan fẹ́ gbé ní village, àwa kan fẹ́ gbé ní city. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wake up ọmọ Yorùbá. Àsìkò ti tó ká béèrè fún right wa, ẹ̀tọ́ wa láti lè dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìlú tó ń work. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé yín débẹ̀ díẹ̀. Once again, this is KOIKIMEDIA bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So a very small bus stop, but apparently most of àwọn tó ń gbé níbí báyìí púpọ̀ nù wọn máa drive ní àbọ̀rọ̀mù yẹn nísìn. So but n tó ń ṣe àwa ni pé wọ́n ti fi irọ́, wọ́n ti fi pinlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Òun ni kò jẹ́ kí gbogbo bíbá nísìnyí yẹn ni fáàmù yẹn wà. Wọ́n wá wo àdúgbò, ṣòrí bí àdúgbò yẹn ṣe rí. Nínú àdúgbò yìí iná wà níbẹ̀, títì wà níbẹ̀, security wà níbẹ̀. Gbogbo ohun tó jẹ́ kó wà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìlú náà ló wà níbẹ̀. And these are all the reasons táwa ṣe ń sọ pé a lè continue to live in denial. Nigeria has failed. It is no longer working. And there is nothing you can do to revive it. So the best bet is for everybody to go their separate ways, and we can have a fully working, independent Yoruba country that we can provide security. We can make sure that nobody can walk into our borders, and then the borders that are not secured, because as it is right now, call it Los America, tó bá ní visa, call it born in UK. But in Yoruba land today, all our borders are left open, and that is creating a lot of havoc and insecurity in the Yoruba land. This and many more reasons are why we are saying it is now enough is enough. Let everybody go their separate ways so that we can go about and develop our own territorial space. Don't be in the southwest of Yoruba land. My name is Olami Koiki, and this is how we are bringing the report from Kimpton, not too far from Stevenage, where the report is coming from this morning. As we always say, we bring the world closer to your doorstep because we want you to feel it. We want you to experience it. Even if you have not traveled down here before, we want you to understand pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá can do better. But nígbà tí a bá wà nínú ìlú tí ó ń dìbà wá ní right wa, ó máa difficult. And as you can see, ibi báyìí ló ń pè ní outside London. Ó yàtọ̀ sínú London. It's more greener, and it is more peaceful, and it is more quiet. KOIKIMEDIA bringing the world closer to your doorstep. The 1st of July 2024.